Hi, my name is Tommy from Prusa, and today we're taking a look at the Core 1 INDX nozzle purge and waste solution. Step 1. We start with the extruder picking up the nozzle. Step 2. The extruder moves to the waste bucket and heats up for printing temperature. It also does a quick wipe of the nozzle now, in case there was any oozing while docked. Step 3. The nozzle purges into the front portion of the V-shaped silicone block. This allows for back pressure to build up on the nozzle during the change. Step 4. The nozzle now passes through the bristles in the rear, dislodging any materials that might be stuck to it into the purge bucket. Step 5. Printing. Step 6. The nozzle is deposited on the silicone pad. This helps retain pressure and prevents passive leaking while it cools down. We also added a new side fan to help promote airflow and speed up the cooling process on all the tools. The printer will repeat this process until the print is done. Let's talk about clearing the waste. Firstly, grab hold of the bucket, then rotate the screw in the handle 90 degrees to release it. You can now remove the waste bucket. Once you clear the waste from the bucket, you can mount it back the same way. No need to recalibrate it either. How much waste, you ask? Well, let's compare it to some other printers on the market. Hopefully that should clear up any questions you might have had about how the purge and waste works with the INDX. Happy printing!